Shishukavacha iti utva sidharistoshnim Bhagavan atmayaya Pitro sampashyato sadyo Bhavuva prakata sishuhu. Shukdev Goswami said, after thus instructing his father and mother, the Supreme Personality Godhead Krishna remained silent. In their presence, by the internal energy, he then transferred himself into a small human child. In other words, he transferred himself into the original form, Krishna's tu Bhagavan Swayam. So Krishna's activities are not easy to understand. Janma karma chame divyam evam yuveti tattvataha tattvadeham punarjanama naeti mamiti swarjana. If you understand Krishna's appearance, activities, disappearance, you become liberated. That means it's not easy. It's kind of a very big achievement if you can understand. Oh, I understood theoretically. That is good, but not much. You have to be able to understand. As Prabhupada Jiva Goswami is giving a hint. First thing you should understand, Lord's energies are inconceivable. It is one thing, the Lord is not affected by energies of this world. Just like a king comes inside the jail, he is not under the laws of the jail. जब राजा जेल के अंदर आता है तो उसको जेल का कोई नियम उसके सिर पे नहीं लग सकता. टोटल ही इज टोटली फ्री है ना, टोटली उसको फ्री है, उसको कोई नियम नहीं है, फ्री है वो राजा. बट वही चीज़ नहीं है, उसका इनकंसीवेबल पावर है जो जेल में किसी के पास नहीं होता. राजा चाहे इसको छोड़ दो, इमीडिएटली उस समय जेलर उसको छोड़ देगा. द किंग ऑर्डर्स लीव हिम, इमीडिएटली ही इज रिलीव. ही हैज द पावर. कैन यू जस्ट इमेजिन हाउ मच पावर द लॉर्ड हैज? इफ ही वांट्स ही कैन से ओके, give him 1 crore rupees, he can give. He has that desire, he can give. Nobody can stop him. So in the material world, it is some limited example. That is why people like to see movies, because they want to see some hero. क्या करेगा वो? 10,000 लोग विलेन के पास है, सबको मार देगा, पट 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 पट. एक थप्पड़ में 20 लोग गिर जाएगा. One slap, 10 people will fall. People like to say, oh, because they want to see some kind of a hero. And Krishna is that hero. And how can one man defeat 10,000 people? कितना मूवी में दिखा है? 10,000 लोग को अकेला पीट देता है. कैसा? How is it possible? How he can do that? Because inconceivable है ना. कैसे भाई, कैसे पॉसिबल है? नहीं, चमत्कारी है. तो हमारा दिल में कोई चमत्कारी व्यक्ति को देखने का मन है, वो है, that is Krishna. Inconceivable. Every day Krishna does things inconceivable. There is heavy rain in Vrindavan, Krishna lifts a mountain. But oh, every day his powers are inconceivable. So the Jiva Goswami is saying, unless you accept God as inconceivable powers, you're not understood what is God. क्या समझे तू? Therefore Prabhupada says, God is always God, dog is always dog. Dog cannot become God, and God does not become dog. That is law of identity, according to Prabhupada. So we should clearly understand Krishna can do all these things. He took Narayana form and then he took a child form. Correct? And child form is this. These are all original forms of the Lord. Narayana form is his expansion. So Krishna is showing his original form as a small child, sweet small child. And he wants to go and play now in Vrindavan. It's not that he's scared of Kamsa. Because the devotees in Vrindavan, like when Krishna appeared, Vasudev Devaki is offering prayers. And he appeared in Narayana form. Let him try in front of Yashoda. Hey, hatao ye form, nahi chahiye. Come to original form. Not interested. When in Rasalila, Krishna बीच में नारायण के फॉर्म में खड़े हो गए तो क्या हुआ? सब गोपी नमस्कार करके हरे नारायण चले गए. इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. कृष्णा किधर गया? अरे नारायण खड़े, इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. सेम, same. So they are offering prayers, Vasudev Devaki to Krishna, Can Yashoda mother stand like that? Oh my Lord Krishna, you are the Supreme Personality of Godhead, you are the cause of all causes, you are not touched by material energy. In fact, it happens when Krishna comes back to Mathura. सो कंस को मार देते हैं कृष्ण बलराम, और उसके सारे चानुरा, मुष्टिका, रेसलर्स एंड ब्रदर्स ऑफ कंस ऑल वर किल्ड बाय कृष्ण एंड बलराम. So then they come to meet Vasudev Devaki, and Vasudev Devaki start their prayers. Then Krishna said, Balram, यार ये बड़ा किधर आ गए, तो उधर तो बड़ा अच्छा था वृंदावन में, इतने स्नेह से प्रिय है, तो खड़े होके प्रार्थना कर रहे हैं, चलो यार कुछ करते हैं. Then they put their yoga maya so that Vasudev Devaki embraced them. है different mood. Always they are conscious. Supreme Lord is standing in front. Correct? They're holding, offering prayers. Krishna also killed so many demons in Vrindavan. When he came back, Yashoda mother khadi thi kaise haase, oh my Lord, you are the Supreme Personality of Godhead, you are the creator of the, nothing like that. है ना? कभी था भाई? No prayer. But her love was intense. When Krishna was caught by Kaliya, what happened that time? Yashoda mother fainted. Murchit ho gaya. When Krishna was about to go from Vrindavan, Akrura came. The gopis came to stop. They were trying to hold the horse. Correct? Some were talking to Krishna, please don't go. And some of the gopis fainted. Could not believe that Krishna is going to go now. How we are going to live? Correct? Some of their faces became black in tension and anxiety. Intense love for Krishna. So that is how we can understand Krishna. What these people joker, they say. They cannot understand what is this. So we have to understand Krishna's powers are inconceivable. So atheists, the joker, they cannot understand Krishna. Krishna can only be understood, revealed to the pure devotees.